That's what boss told us to do.
What's the point of it?
Accuracy and turret control.
Cool. Training us to try to knock the southpaws off without knocking over into cones. Controlled by this joystick. That can be kind of finicky.
So I take a deep breath, but don't look back. I never ever thought I'd die in a Cadillac. Yeah, but I'm bleeding from my ears and we're upside down. This type of shit happens every time she comes around. Yeah, and it's a different kind of trouble when you're on red wine. Stumble and you stagger, but you think you're fine. I got an angel on my shoulder, but the devil's in my head, trying to remember all the words she said. She said, push it, boy, don't you dare be scared. Go to hell for leather, I can see that glare. Cut me too, like a red hot knife. Here's your bullet, won't you take a bite? She said, this is all you ever need to know, and this may be the last time you'll be told. There's a ringing in my head, there's an ache in my bones. There's fire on the water, flames are burning hotter, and the sun, the sun, the sun